You just have to download Viewstats on your computer or desktop. The first thing you do is in the search bar, you type in viewstats.com. Doing so, it'll bring you to this website like here, but in the top right hand corner, you want to link your YouTube channel. It'll just be like, do you want to continue with Chrome, yada yada, etc. And you do. And then in the top right hand corner, you click on the Add Chrome extension. And as you can see, there's the big blue button here, and it basically just gives us an overview of what we'll actually get out of this app. Just a few A/B testing tools, video performance, view stats, and see how much money people make. And once it's actually been added to Chrome, all you do is you go back to your YouTube, and let's just say we want to see the views for this video right here. As you can see, it currently says it's analyzing the video and to check back in 2 to 3 days. If we try to click on an older one, you can sort of see the view stats on this video, and you can see the real-time views on this video. And if you want to compare it, you just click on compare, and we can compare it to their typical video performance, their ranking of these videos that they've published on this channel, and the overview, etc. And that's how you download Viewstats.